Ever wondered how to use Burp Suite effectively? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore the ins and outs of this powerful tool, which is a favorite amongst penetration testers and ethical hackers. Burp Suite, if you're unfamiliar, is a comprehensive platform used for security testing of web applications. It's packed with features that can help you uncover vulnerabilities and secure your applications. It's like a Swiss Army knife for anyone who's into ethical hacking, cybersecurity, or web application testing. It's not just a tool, it's an entire suite encompassing a range of utilities that can be used individually or in combination to create a tailored testing process. We'll delve into each tab, explaining what they do and how you can leverage them to their full potential. So are you ready? Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of Burp Suite. The Burp Suite dashboard is your command center. This is where you'll discover a plethora of tools and features crafted to simplify your cybersecurity tasks. The dashboard is broken up into a series of tabs, each with a distinct function. We begin with the Target tab. This is designed for defining and managing the scope of your current project. Following that is the Proxy tab, an essential tool for intercepting, viewing, and altering raw traffic. Navigating through the dashboard is as straightforward as clicking from one tab to another. Once you've got the hang of the dashboard, you're ready to delve deeper into each tab, and that's precisely what we're about to do. Explore all the tabs one after the other. Let's start with the Target tab. This is your main control panel, your mission control if you will, for managing and organizing your targets. Think of it as your personal command center. Here you can add, view, and manage all the targets and hosts you're working with. It's a dynamic space, constantly updating in real time with every new piece of information you gather. So how do you add a target? It's as simple as a click and a paste. Whenever you come across a URL that you want to inspect, you simply copy it, navigate to the Target tab, and paste it into the Add Target field. Just like that, you've got your target set and ready to go. Now let's talk a bit about managing targets. The Target tab is not just a static list of URLs, it's a living, breathing dashboard that allows you to control and manipulate your targets as you see fit. You can group your targets, filter them according to different criteria, and even set up specific actions for each one. For example, you might want to group all targets from a certain domain together, or perhaps you want to filter out targets that have already been tested, so you can focus on the ones that haven't. The Target tab gives you the flexibility to do all this and more. But that's not all. The Target tab also provides valuable insights about your targets. It shows you a detailed breakdown of each target, including the number of requests made, the number of responses received, and the status of each request. This can be incredibly useful in identifying potential vulnerabilities or areas of interest. In essence, the Target tab is a powerful tool that helps you stay organized and focused. It streamlines the process of managing targets, making it easier for you to concentrate on the task at hand, discovering and exploiting vulnerabilities. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie just getting started, the Target tab is a feature you'll definitely want to get familiar with. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can make your life a whole lot easier. With the Target tab, you're one step closer to being a Burp Suite pro. Next up, the Proxy tab. This is where the magic happens in the realm of traffic interception and manipulation. The Proxy tab's primary function is to intercept, inspect, and modify traffic between your browser and the target application. Let's dive a bit deeper. The tab is divided into two sections: Intercept and Options. In the Intercept section, you can toggle the interception of requests and responses. This allows you to scrutinize the details of each request and response, even modify them if you wish, before they reach their destination. Now let's switch gears to the Options section. Here you can configure your proxy listeners, match and replace rules, and even SSL pass-through settings. Configuring these settings effectively can significantly enhance your testing capabilities. For instance, with custom match and replace rules, you can automate specific changes to your requests or responses. To set up the proxy in your browser, you'll need to change your network settings to point towards Burp Suite's proxy listener. Remember, by default, Burp Suite's proxy listener is set to localhost port 8080. Mastering the Proxy tab brings you closer to complete control over your web testing environment. It's like being the puppet master of your very own digital theater. pulling the strings of incoming and outgoing traffic to create a performance tailored to your needs. Now, let's move on to the Intruder tab. This is where the real action begins. The Intruder tab is your best friend when it comes to automating customized attacks. It's like having a superpowered sidekick who never tires and always has your back. The Intruder tab, as the name suggests, lets you intrude into the system you're testing. It's designed to speed up the process of testing data inputs and identifying processing flaws. This tab isn't just about brute force, it's about precision and customization. You can set up and modify attacks based on your specific needs, making it a versatile tool in your hacking arsenal. There are 4 attack types you can choose from, each serving a unique purpose. The sniper attack type is designed for testing individual parameters against multiple payloads. Battering ram tests all parameters at once. Pitchfork allows you to use 2 payload sets simultaneously, and cluster bomb is for testing multiple payload sets against multiple parameters. To set up an attack, you'll need to first capture the request you want to modify. This can be done by using the Proxy tab or by manually entering the request in the Intruder tab. Next, define your attack positions. These are the parts of the request that will be manipulated during the attack. Then, choose your payload, the data you'll be testing with. You can import a list of payloads or create your own. Lastly, hit Start Attack and watch as Burp Suite works its magic. Remember, with the Intruder tab, you're not just launching attacks, you're also analyzing responses. Burp Suite automatically records the details of every response, allowing you to easily identify any anomalies or potential vulnerabilities. And that's the Intruder tab in a nutshell. It's not just a tool, but a powerful weapon, allowing you to automate and customize your attacks, test multiple parameters, and analyze responses quickly and efficiently. The Intruder tab, a powerful tool in your Burp Suite arsenal. So take the time to get to know it, understand it, and use it to its full potential. It could be the difference between a successful penetration test and a missed vulnerability. In the home stretch, we have the Repeater, Sequencer, and Extender tabs. Let's dive right into the Repeater tab. This tab is your go-to when you want to modify and resubmit requests to the server. It's like having a conversation with the server, where you can change your responses to see how the server reacts. Fascinating, isn't it? Next up is the Sequencer tab. This tab is all about randomness. It's used to analyze the quality of randomness in a sample of data items. You might ask, why is randomness so important? Well, in the world of cryptography and session handling, randomness is a crucial factor. Poor randomness can lead to predictability, which is a hacker's best friend. Last but certainly not least, we have the Extender tab. This tab is the playground for those who love to tweak and customize. With the Extender, you can load Burp extensions to customize the behavior of Burp Suite. You can even write your own extensions if you are up for a challenge. Each of these tabs offers a unique set of features and functions designed to give you maximum control and flexibility when testing a system's security. They might seem complicated at first, but with practice, they'll become second nature. With these tabs, you have a full suite of tools at your disposal. As you can see, Burp Suite is a powerful tool for any ethical hacker. Its comprehensive range of features and tabs, from the dashboard to the extender, provides a unique platform for penetration testing and securing networks. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the Hack the Hacker YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share this video.